Alrighty, guys, welcome to another 2 minute talk. We're going to talk about galling and what fake galling is. We got fake news. There's a little bit of fake galling. Wrote this a little over a year ago, published a little over a year ago. There is a lot packed into this article right here. What's galling? How does it happen? You would think we'd know a lot more about this, but we don't. You get conflicting conspiracy theories. Some people say it happens completely when you break out. Some people say it happens when you put on. The consensus that I get from most engineers is that it's a little bit of both, right? So we go through and we talk about like why galling happens. And if you come over here, the biggest reason for galling, I've got to say, is no anti-seize. Lack of anti-seize are not enough. I mean, you can't put enough anti-seize on these bolts. And we typically see galling in like 3-inch studs. We never see it in 3/4 studs unless they're like stainless, right? So why is it that we see it on 3/4 inch? Well, it's pretty funny because like we talk about the different things that can happen here, right, and how to do it, but also this interesting thing that has been around forever, and I've been using it for a long time, and I can't believe more people don't know about it. But if you actually want to decrease the load, if you drop load in one stud, it goes to the next studs, right? So if you actually loosen a half a flat to flat in a circular pattern once, maybe twice, depending upon the stud size and how critical this application is, you gradually unload that and you get less likely chance of galling. It's just a really simple way to break apart. So people ask, Scott, how do I get rid of galling? So the first two steps is make sure you got enough lubricant on there and then do the turn in the nut method for disassembly. It's a really good idea for the large diameter flanges and stud sizes. So in this article, it's really dense. If you guys have got any questions, please email us at info@hextechnology.com. That's info@hextechnology.com, and we will help you walk you through this. Hope everything goes well for you guys today. Take care.